Alright, so this is the inventory.
That's it. Look,
This,
watch.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the camera.
Whoa.
This is a full container. It says 44 special, blah blah blah, load label, New Hornet D, factory loaded. Not real. I guess they're reloads, but they're done by Hornady. I guess, I don't know. But there are 3, 4, 5, 6 cases of that. And it looks like 2 additional half-spent cases there. That's that. There are 44 Magnum Georgia Arms, 44 Magnum Georgia Arms, 44 Magnum Georgia Arms, 44 Magnum. There's another one. Another one. This is a same thing, but in 44 special. Then there's another 44 mag, another 44 mag, and then you got some special ones here. Winchester Blonder PDX-1, 45 Colt, 45 Colt, and then 2 44 special containers. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know how to open it. So, these look like some kind of special defense ammo. It says 44 special. Smith & Wesson. Not real sure why they're in these separate containers. That's all of it. Bye.